Hey everybody. Hey everybody. Hello, hello, hello. This is Serjay Svek back with another hand and finger training exercise. Today we're going to talk about the Kuji-In. Now the Kuji-In is also known as the 9-syllable seals or the 9 hand seals. This is a finger and hand exercise that comes from Taoist and Buddhist literature. So there is a spiritual aspect to it, but I'm going to focus only on the fact that it's very good for keeping my hands and fingers flexible, and it helps ground me whenever I have anxiety coming along. So especially nowadays when we don't know how people are feeling mentally, it helps me focus, especially when my heart starts racing or my mind goes at 1,000,000 miles an hour. Making sure that I can perform the Kuji-In is a way for me to make sure that I have something else to focus on instead of how my body and mind are feeling. So what I'm going to do is that I'll do the entire exercise all at once, and then we're going to go ahead and do it together, step by step. And if you may notice, this is actually something that might look familiar to you if you've been watching anime and reading manga about ninja. So like Naruto, for example, they perform their techniques or jutsu using hand seals. But a more accurate representation of these hand seals comes from the Tekken fighting games, specifically Raven, because he does perform these hand seals or the Kuji-In during one of his win poses. So let's go ahead and get started. So make sure you always limber up your fingers for this, because it's going to get a bit tricky at first, but near the end it'll get a lot easier. So first up, it's called 9-syllable seals because each hand seal comes with a specific syllable. The first one is called Rin. So you have your hands here. Interlock your last 3 fingers. Extend your index fingers. Thumbs up. Rin. Second is Pyo. So this is Rin, this is Pyo. So what we're gonna do, just keep your bottom 2 fingers interlocked, and then extend your index fingers again, but this time you lower it so that your middle fingers can trap them, as you can see here. Keep your thumbs up. So if you do it faster, Rin, Pyo. Make sure you try to stick it in together. Next is To. So Rin, Pyo, To. This time for To, you stick your bottom 2 fingers out. Then what you do is that it's a bit tricky, so sometimes I have to do it like this. So you put your index fingers between your ring and your middle finger. Make sure it's on the opposite side, so here. And then you use your middle fingers to trap or lock them, as you can see. This is To. There we go. And then we move on to the next. So Rin, Pyo, To, Sha. For Sha, you keep your pinkies out. And what you do is that you cross your ring fingers, put them in between your index and your middle fingers. Use your middle fingers to trap them like this. And then you stick your index fingers out. Like this. There we go. Sha. Rin, Pyo, To, Sha. Next is Kai. Kai is a lot easier. It's like this. Just grasp your hands like this. So, Rin, Pyo, To, Sha, Kai. Next is Jin. Jin is the same as Kai, but this time you put your fingers inside. So after Jin is Retsu. Retsu is simply putting your finger up like this on your left hand. Then you grasp it with your right hand, thumb up. This is Retsu. Next is Zai. Zai is simply making a triangle with your hands like this. Keep your fingers out. Zai is the 8th, and the last and 9th is Zen. So make your fist, put it in the palm of your hand. Zen. And that's the Kuji-In. So that's how it's done step by step. I'm going to go ahead and perform it a lot quicker. And just so you know, the object of this is not really speed, but just trying to be able to get your hands into the correct positions. And again, this is for me to try to relax and focus. So I'm not focused on speed here. So let's begin. Rin, Pyo, To, Sha, Kai, Jin, Retsu, Zai, Zen. One more time. Rin. See, if you try to speed it up, it becomes a lot more confusing. So let's take it slow. Rin, Pyo, To, Sha. See? So don't focus. Rin, Pyo, To. But you get what I mean. Rin. Centipede's Dilemma, my goodness. Thank you, Neon Genesis Evangelion, for teaching me about this. Rin, Pyo, To, Sha, Kai, Jin, Retsu, Zai, Zen. There we go. That's more like it. So there, that's the Kuji-In. Another hand and finger exercise. I hope you'll be able to learn this. And again, if you want, just go through the steps, pause or slow down the video. And that's just another way for me to cope, especially if you want to keep your hands and fingers limber. And if it's just a way for you to try to focus your mind, especially when it comes to these stressful times with the pandemic and all, and you want to learn something new. But again, if you think that you need more serious help, because I'm no expert by any means when it comes to mental concerns. So if you can, feel free to reach out to any person that you can confide in with your issues. Or if you need professional help, please do so. That's very, very important. I've gone through my own counseling. It has helped me greatly. I'm still working on it because I know I still have these issues from time to time with my anxiety. But with all the techniques that I've learned and using my own techniques, such as the Kuji-In, it has helped me try to gain a level head during times like these. So again, that was the Kuji-In with Serjay Svek. Thanks again for dropping by, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Take care.